What's the meaning of biriani? Biriani. Biriani.
Biriani. Biriani. Biriani is a dish that originated in the Indian subcontinent, particularly in the South Asian region. It is a mixed rice dish that typically consists of long-grain basmati rice, various spices and herbs, and a variety of meats or vegetables. The origins of biriani can be traced back to the Mughal Empire, where it was once considered a luxurious meal served only on special occasions. Today, it is a popular dish in many countries, including India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, and is enjoyed by people from all walks of life. The complex flavors and aromas of biriani have made it a favorite among many food lovers around the world.